Hey guys, just a quick check-in on the seedlings. It has been 2 weeks since me, Mariana, and Tuki planted these babies. And they are growing. Look at them, y'all. We got the beets over here. Corn, sweet corn. And we have carrots. And we have some onions here. I cut them and used them and put them in this cup of water, and they growing back. I just filled their little water back up. Sweet potatoes still sitting over there. No slips as of yet. You guys already know the regular potatoes or the russet potatoes are outside already. But yes, these are the seeds that we did 2 weeks ago, y'all. We so excited. So excited. Y'all don't forget to thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel. And we will see you guys in the next clip. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How is everybody this morning? Great, I hope. Just a quick update on the corn. As you guys know, the 2 back rows I did first, and then the 2 second rows, the shorter ones, I did those last. That way I have 2 separate harvests. And this morning we have tassels growing. Tassels are growing. So you guys know the tassels is what we use to fertilize, not fertilize, but pollinate for the corn. We have tassels growing, guys, on the corn. Some of them have 2 shoots. See the 2 stalks? In the second row, right behind it. I hope you guys can see. We got tassels coming in. So our corn should be coming. Our silk should be coming right behind it. We need those tassels to get in that silk so we can get some good corn, guys. Good corn. Just a little update on the corn. It's looking beautiful. See some more tassels coming down there. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments down below. Hit that thumbs up button for your girl, so y'all can stay updated with the progress in the garden. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. I'm so excited, y'all. We finally got some tassels. Now we're just waiting on that silk, so we can get out here and get that silk pollinated. Alright, guys. That's the end of the update on the corn. The corn is looking so good. I'm pretty sure next year I'm going to do more. But I had to get my feet wet. So, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.